Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss English AI. I'm Paul, and today we're talking about weather, one of the easiest and most useful topics in English. You use it every day. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, simple words, simple sentences, and supernatural conversation.
Hey guys, I'm Ena, and Paul's right. Weather is everywhere. Even if you don't want to talk to someone, weather magically starts conversations.
Exactly. If you don't know what to say, just talk about the sky. Works every time. Now let's start with the basics. Ena, how's the weather today?
Today, it's sunny. The sky is blue, the sun is bright, and it feels warm. Honestly, I love sunny weather. It makes me feel alive.
Nice. Sunny is simple. When the sun is out and the sky is clear, we say, it's sunny. Try saying it with us. It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
Great. Now let's try another one. Ena, if it's raining outside, what do you say?
Paul, if it's raining, I say, I'm staying inside. But the sentence is, it's raining.
Good choice. Yes, rainy just means it's raining or it looks like rain. Simple. You can also say, it's raining when the rain is happening right now.
It's raining is something I say a lot, especially when I forget my umbrella. Again.
Ena forgets her umbrella every single time. Every single time.
Hey, not every time. Okay, maybe every time. But let's move on. What's next?
Cloudy. When the sky is full of clouds, no sun, everything looks soft and gray. That's cloudy.
Cloudy days feel like a slow-motion movie scene.
Exactly like that. Say it with us. It's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
Good. Last simple word, windy. When the wind is strong and you feel it pushing you around, you say, it's windy.
Paul, I think I'm flying. It's windy!
Okay, come back to earth. Say it normally. It's windy.
It's windy.
Great job. Now let's practice a real conversation. I'll ask simple questions. Ena will answer, and you at home can speak with her. How's the weather today?
It's sunny today.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I love sunny weather. It makes me feel happy.
Nice. Now, imagine it starts to rain. How's the weather now?
It's raining. The sky is dark and the rain is falling.
Good. Now, if the sky is gray, but there is no rain, what do you say?
It's cloudy. I like cloudy days. They feel peaceful.
Cloudy can be relaxing. That's true. Now, imagine the wind is strong. How's the weather?
It's windy. My hair is flying everywhere.
Yes, windy days make you look like you're in a music video. Now, let's mix them. Weather changes fast. Let's pretend the weather keeps switching every few minutes. Okay, Ena, how's the weather at 9 a.m.?
It's sunny.
And at 11 a.m.?
It's cloudy.
At 1 p.m.?
It's raining.
At 4 p.m.?
It's windy. Why is today so dramatic?
Because weather likes to keep life interesting. Now, let's use weather in daily conversation. Repeat after us. How's the weather?
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
It's cloudy right now.
It's cloudy right now.
It's raining. Don't forget your umbrella.
It's raining. Don't forget your umbrella, like I always do.
It's windy. Hold on to your hat.
It's windy. Hold on to your hat.
Good. Now, let's talk about feelings. Weather affects how people feel. Sunny usually feels happy. Rainy can feel relaxing or sleepy. Windy feels energetic. Cloudy feels calm.
Yes. For example, I feel happy on sunny days. I feel sleepy on rainy days. I feel calm on cloudy days. I feel excited on windy days.
Perfect. Now let's add a little fun. I will say a weather word, and you describe it in one sentence. Sunny?
It's bright, warm, and beautiful.
Rainy?
Raindrops everywhere. A perfect day for tea.
Cloudy?
Soft sky, chill mood, easy day.
Windy?
Hair chaos, but but fun chaos.
Great descriptions. Now, for the listeners watching, here's your quick practice. Describe the weather outside your window right now. Just one simple sentence.
Yes, say something like, it's sunny, or it's cloudy, or it's raining, or it's windy. No pressure, just simple English.
All right, friends, that's our weather conversation for today. Keep practicing small sentences. Weather words are easy, super useful, and perfect for daily English.
And don't forget, every day is a good day to learn something new.
Thanks for listening to Miss English AI. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye. Stay sunny, even if the weather isn't.